How to fix Facebook star monetization button not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if you cannot see your Facebook star monetization option or button. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to understand the eligibility in order to have access to your star monetization. So if it is not showing, there could be a few reasons, such as you might not be eligible yet, your page type is not supported, or if you have violated the monetization policies, or if you're outside the supported countries, then in that case you will not see the Facebook or the star monetization button. So for that, make sure that you have all of these eligibility, such as having at least 500 followers, you have to be 18 plus years old and live in star eligible country, and also stream for at least 5 days and 10 hours in last 30 days, and also follow the monetization and community guidelines in order to have this star monetization. But if you're eligible and still cannot find the option, for that make sure that the application is up to date. To update your application, you have to open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Facebook and make sure that it is up to date. The second option is to use a desktop browser for the Creator Studio. There you could also check for the option. If not, you could also switch to your page category in order, or switch your page category to video creator, and that will also fix your star monetization problem. And if that still does not help you, then contact Meta support via monetization help. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.